other news, survivors of sexual assault are urging state lawmakers to repeal or change laws that put limits on the amount of time the survivors have to report the crime to law enforcement.
Yeah, so right now, most sexual assault cases have a 5-year statute of limitations. News 8's government reporter Garrett Bergquist was in the room for some very difficult testimony.
Multiple survivors of sexual assault told a Senate committee 5 years isn't nearly enough time for them to process what happened to them, much less ask prosecutors to file a criminal case.
Carissa Seatman told her story to News 8 last year, but this was the first time she told it to people with the power to change the law.
I'm a survivor of sexual assault. I was assaulted by a group of young men from my senior class. I will not go into detail about my assault because my children are here today.
A bill in the legislature would remove the statute of limitations for virtually all sex crimes, including rape and child molestation. That would mean prosecutors could bring charges decades after it happened, if necessary.
Mine involved a sibling wielding the most dangerous weapons, trust and power. Those don't make it a felony 1 or 2, though. It still falls in the felony 3 bucket with no legal recourse due to a statute of limitation that protects the abusers because the abused may be like me and have suppressed it for over 15 years. I still don't enjoy talking about it.
It's not quite as clear-cut as it sounds. Lawmakers say they want to adjust the language to avoid an unconstitutional after-the-fact law. And public defenders say there's a reason for the time limit.
Memories fade, memories change. And that's the protection that statutes of limitations provide. You know, after that testimony, I hate to sit here and nitpick at statutory language, but I'm very concerned that the way this bill is written, that it's not doing what it purports, what we have talked about it doing today.
But survivors like Seekman say the bill would give them time to heal before they go through the pressures of a trial.
It's an honor to speak for other survivors and families that have navigated this journey, and it's been an absolute pleasure. I can't think of anything I'd rather fight for than for other people for this.
The Senate committee did not vote on the bill. The committee chair says he hopes to hold a vote next week after making some changes. At the State House, I'm Garrett Bergquist for Wish TV, wishtv.com, or follow us on Facebook for more updates.